Hi, my name is John Knox. I'm a disaster response coordinator with SRP. We're in the area today helping companies such as yours mitigate their disaster problems. Please enjoy the video.
The company is made up of experts, team members who specialize in preparedness before disaster, like securing buildings, then responding to victims immediately after, and after that, restoring property as the cleanup begins.
This thing's going to skirt the coast, so there should be some coastal, the surge is going to be big, there'll be a lot of coastal flooding, and obviously the high winds.
My job to put together a team of highly skilled first responders from fire, police, and the urban search and rescue setting. And together as a team, we go into some of the most dangerous environments throughout the world.
We had a piece of just a different shards of metal. We saw construction, we saw power lines down. It was dangerous, but it was calculated. We knew what we were doing.
Our team of first responders are here as well. They're trying to respond after the storm. If these storms do leave damage behind, we'll be there right away to help out when needed.
Thank you for taking the time and watching the video today. It shows some of the services that SRP can provide to you and your company. Please feel free to reach out. My contact information will be listed after this.